The digital temperature display lets you quickly and easily check the griddle's surface temperature. Let's take a look at how to use it. Turn all the burners on to preheat the grill. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the display. As the griddle heats up, a dash will cycle through the display for 4 minutes. If you preheat the grill before turning on the display, the griddle temperature will display automatically if it is above 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. If an E8 error code appears when you turn on the display, this means there is an issue with the thermocouple that senses your griddle's temperature. You'll want to contact Weber customer service for help. Choose between Fahrenheit or Celsius by pressing the button on the top right of the display. The display will be at maximum brightness for the first 15 minutes that it is on. After that, it will dim to save battery life. To return to maximum brightness, tap the power button. It will then remain at that level for 2 minutes. When it's time to change the batteries, a low battery icon will appear at the bottom. You can find the batteries for the display underneath the griddle, below the middle shelf. Slide the cover off the battery mount. Remove the batteries. Then replace them with 2 new AA alkaline batteries. Then slide the cover back on. Don't mix old and new batteries or different types of batteries like standard and alkaline or rechargeable and alkaline. If you want to turn the display off, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. The digital temperature display also has an automatic shutoff feature that helps preserve battery life when the grill is not in use. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.